हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसी तैयारी चल रही है? वेलकम टू माय चैनल. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it by pressing the subscribe button. If you want to learn previous lectures, then you can see the description box. In description box the link is given. You can watch the previous lectures on other topics. If you have any query in this lecture, then you can write in the comment box. Today I shall discuss one important topic in inorganic chemistry, that is coordination chemistry. In coordination chemistry we study about coordination compounds. First I shall study about the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Nomenclature is very important in case of coordination compounds. These nomenclature are based on the recommendations of IUPAC International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. The formulas and names of coordination compounds are given according to the recommendation of IUPAC. The first I shall discuss about the naming of mononuclear coordination compounds. How the naming of mononuclear coordination compounds are given. These are given according to the following rules. What are these rules? I shall discuss these rules one by one. Then I shall take few examples to explain the nomenclature in detail. The first rule in nomenclature, the first rule says that cation is named first both in positively and negatively charged coordination entities. Either it is positively charged or it is negatively charged, cation is named first. The second rule says that the ligands are placed before the central metal atom or ion in alphabetical order. They are placed before the name of cation or anion in alphabetical order. The third rule says that ligands according to the third rule, the number of ligands are indicated by the prefixes di, mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. The number of individual ligands are indicated by the prefixes mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. The fourth rule, according to the fourth rule, if the ligand is anionic, then it ends with suffix O. For example, if it is chloride, then it is known as chlorido. If it is chloride, then it is called chlorido. But if the ligand is cationic or neutral ligand, then the name remains the same, except in case of H2O, it is called aqua. In case of NH3, it is called amine. In case of NH3, it is called amine. In case of CO, it is called carbonyl. In case of NO, it is called nitrosyl. Thus, we see that in case of anionic ligands, the name is suffixed with O, but in case of cationic or neutral ligands, the name remains the same, except in case of H2O, it is called aqua. In case of NH3, it is called amine. In case of CO, it is called carbonyl, and in case of NO, it is called nitrosyl. Now, if the name of the ligand, if in the name of ligand numerical prefixes are used, then the number of ligands are indicated by the terms bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. For example, here the name of ligand ethane 1,2-diamine includes numerical prefix, therefore the number of ligands are increased by tris, not by tri. It is prefixed by tris. So the prefixes bis, tris or tris are used in order to indicate the number of ligands when the name of ligand includes numerical prefixes. Then the next rule is the oxidation number of metal ion. The oxidation number of metal ion is indicated by Roman numerals. Roman numerals in small bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, both in cationic or anionic coordination entities. The oxidation number of metal ion is indicated by Roman numerals and placed in parenthesis or a small bracket. Now if the next rule says, now if the metal ion is present in complex cation, then it is named as it is. For example, cobalt is called cobalt if it is present in complex cation. Platinum is named as platinum if it is present in complex cation. But if the metal is present in complex anion, then its name is suffixed with 8. For example, cobalt SCN 4 times 2 minus. Here the cobalt is called cobaltate. The suffix ATE, 8 is used. In case of certain metals, for example iron or silver, its lattice name is used. For example, iron is called ferrate, silver is called argentate. The next rule is the name of neutral coordination molecule is named as complex cation. In case of neutral coordination molecule, it is named as complex cation. Now these are the rules for naming the coordination compounds. This should be followed strictly for naming the coordination compounds. Now let us take few examples in order to clear these rules. The first example is CrNH3 thrice H2O thrice Cl3. Here the cation is complex ion. It is named first. Here two ligands are present, NH3, H2. NH3 is amine or H2O is aqua. There are three amines, therefore triamine, it is triaqua, chromium third chloride. It is named as triamine, triaqua, chromium third chloride. Since both the ligands are neutral, therefore the charge on complex cation will be the oxidation number of metal ion. The next example is CONH2 CH2 CH2NH2 thrice SO4 2. Here will be twice. Here the cation is complex ion and anion is simple. Since the ligand includes numerical prefixes, therefore its number will be indicated by tris. It is tris ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt 3 sulfate. Cobalt 3 sulfate. So, a sulfate has two negative charge. There are three sulfate ions and complex ion is 2. Therefore the charge on cobalt or oxidation number of cobalt will be 3. Let us take another example here. Silver NH3 twice, silver Cn2 twice. Here the cation and anion both are complex. First we name the cation. Ligand is amine, diamine, silver 1. diamine silver 1. Oxidation number is 1. Here anion is present, dicyanide ion, therefore dicyanide argentate 1. Argentate 1. Suffix "ate" is used after the name of cation in complex anion. In case of complex anion, suffix "ate" is used. Next example is K3Cr C2O4 thrice. Here the cation is simple, anion is complex. Its name will be given potassium trioxalato. It is oxalate ion, then it will be named as oxalato. Trioxalato chromate third. Chromate third. The oxidation number of chromium is 3. Here the oxidation number of chromium 3. We can calculate the oxidation number by using the charge on oxalate ion and number of oxalate ion and the charge on counter ions. Similarly, we can name CONH3 5 times CO3C. Here complex cation is present and ion is simple. Therefore, it will be pentaamine carbonato. Carbonate में we shall add O carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. Similarly, COCl2 En twice Cl. It will be dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt third chloride. It will be cobalt third chloride. Since it is a neutral ligand, it has unit negative charge and 2 chloride ions present, then oxidation number will be 3. So today I have discussed about nomenclature of coordination compounds, and I have taken few examples how the names are given in case of coordination compounds. It is according to the recommendation of IUPAC, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. There are certain rules which must be followed in order to name the coordination compounds. Thank you for watching my channel. Your comments are welcome. If you have any query, you can write in the comments box. Please subscribe the channel